So let me show you how to adjust margins in a Google Docs document. So the easiest way to do this, especially for the left and right margins, is to use the ruler at the top here. Now, if you can't see the ruler, then you just need to go to the view option and then make sure you click on show ruler. When it has a check mark on the left hand side, this one right here, then it means you're going to see the ruler at the top here. So to adjust your margins, simply place your mouse cursor at the top there. It's going to turn into a double-sided arrow and then it's going to say left margin. So you can use that to adjust the left margin of your document. Same goes for the right margin. Just put your mouse cursor at the top there and then adjust the right margin. So you can adjust it inwards or outwards, depending on what you want really. Now, if you want to adjust the top and bottom margins of the page, you can now go to page setup. So click on file and then go to page setup. Now you can see the left and right margins have picked whatever I switched to. But if you want to adjust the top and bottom margins, you can always go ahead and adjust those. So for instance, if I want 1.75 here, I can just select that. Same goes for the top margin and then click OK and I should be good to go. Now keep in mind that those are your default margins. So anytime you now create a new Google Docs document, it's going to take up those margins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.